Hi guys, this is editorial analysis for 11th and 12th March 2017. Let's go to the first one. This is from the Indian Express. It says that the Lok Sabha has passed the Maternity Benefit Amendment Bill 2016. So basically it grants 26 weeks of paid leave to mothers in organized sector. So this 26 weeks, it has been increased from the provision of 12 weeks, which was there earlier. Now, in contrast to the provision in India, in China it is 14 weeks, in Australia it's 18, in Norway it could be anything between 36 to 46, in Denmark it's 52, and in the United States of America it's 12. Organized sector means an economic activity which employs 10 people or more, 10 or more people. The Act also provides that for 12 weeks of paid leave in case a woman has adopted a child or has acquired a child through surrogacy. The Act provides that if 50 plus employees are women, then it will also provide for creche facility, allowing women to visit 4 times a day. So women will be able to visit 4 times their children 4 times a day. It's important to enrich life with child and be financially strong during a sensitive time like this. It ensures employees return, and research shows that women work for longer hours when they return after this paid maternity leave. So the Maternity Benefits Act, it respects the need of biology while freeing women of biological determinism. However, the problems with this act are that it applies only to organized sector, and organized sector has 4.4% of women workforce only in India. 90% of India's women workers are in unorganized sector where this act wouldn't be applicable. Women are mostly employed in agriculture, domestic labor, etc., and they won't be able to avail the benefits of this act. The bill is also silent on paternity leave, so that is something that we have to look at, because men and women should go for the shared responsibility of the household and child rearing. So that is something that the bill is silent on. So that is the first editorial from Indian Express. Let's move on to the second editorial from Hindu. Just one point. It talks about what are time crystals. Time crystals, they are hypothetical structures that have movement without expending energy. It could be a preliminary question. Let's move on to the next editorial, the third one. This is from the Hindu newspaper. It says that according to the National Family Health Survey Round 4, despite 79% institutional deliveries in India, the children breastfed within 1 hour of birth is only 42% in India. The Janani Suraksha Yojana has helped in increasing institutional deliveries from 39% to 79%. And doubling of children breastfed within 1 hour within the preceding 10 years. Breastfeeding within 1 hour of birth can prevent significant number of neonatal deaths, about 20% newborn deaths and 13% under 5 deaths. So the institutional deliveries is highest in Kerala. It's 99.9% in Kerala, 99.2% in Tamil Nadu, 90% in Maharashtra. But breastfeeding within 1 hour is significantly less. It's only 64% in Kerala, 55% in Tamil Nadu, and 57.5% in Maharashtra. Bihar has shown most improvement in the first hour breastfeeding, from 4% to 35% between 2005-6 to 2015-16. Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan and Goa, they have also shown improvement according to this survey. Let's move on to the next editorial. This is also from the Hindu newspaper. It says that India has introduced injectable contraceptives in its bouquet of national family planning services. India's contraceptive choices are highly skewed towards a single method use, that is 75% is through female sterilization, 10% through condoms, 6% through birth control pills, and 4% through intrauterine devices. Now, Indian women, they don't have a say in reproductive decisions most of the times. They don't even know the full impact of the drugs that their bodies are being exposed to. So this injectable contraceptives, they are a bit controversial because they could lead to side effects like menstrual irregularities, migraine headaches, abdominal cramps, bone degeneration, and it's not meant for prolonged usage. It should be used only temporarily. So it makes women provider dependent. Provider dependent means that the women will have to go to the health facilities to access it, and it's unlike birth control pills, which women can just use it at discretion. Health facilities are too crowded already and chaotic, and most of the times doctors aren't able to give ample sufficient amount of time to each woman and explain it to her that these are the choices that you have, and these are the side effects that each choice could have in your body. So in 2014, 13 women died and 65 were injured at a government-run sterilization camp in Chhattisgarh. Female sterilization is a rather risky procedure for women, but vasectomy is actually a simple 10-minute harmless procedure. So despite the fact that female sterilization could actually lead to death and it's highly risky, vasectomy is harmless. It's very simple, and it takes only 10 minutes. So these are the editorials for 11th and 12th March 2017. Thank you.